Studying chemistry at UVU is amazing for a lot of reasons. My favorite part is the small class sizes. You have a lot more interaction with your professors. Taking classes like instrumental, there's only 20 people in the class. The professor knows me. I can wait after class and talk to them. They have more time, they're more invested in you. It's just much more of a personalized learning experience.
One of my favorite parts of chemistry is understanding the why. That's initially why I chose biochemistry, because the world's complex and understanding how and why things function really appeals to me. The work that I'm doing at UVU right now is going to set me up for my future career. I want to become a professor, which requires me to get a PhD and of course do research and a dissertation. And UVU has afforded me a couple of opportunities to research and study physical chemistry, which is what I ultimately want to study.
Studying chemistry at UVU is helping me because they're really focused on student success. It helps me prepare for any challenges that come later on, and it helps definitely with the discipline. Faculty and the staff in the chemistry department, they're great. They really are willing to help the students succeed and make sure that we're really understanding. We just have to be willing to reach out to them and be open about what's going on.
I love chemistry because it's a challenge. You know, when I took high school chemistry, it was super hard. It can be really difficult, and doing something challenging is what makes fun for me. UVU offers a much more intimate educational experience. I chose to study chemistry here at UVU and then go on to get a PhD because of my professors. You know, at other major universities, you have to schedule an appointment with your research advisor like weeks out, you know? I can walk into his office and he'll answer my questions whenever I need. And that's been huge for helping me to, you know, figure out what research really is and helping me to accomplish research itself.
As a little kid, I had an idea that I wanted to be a scientist, but it kind of took half a lifetime to get here. I'm not a traditional student. This is my second time back in school, so I have a bachelor's degree in information systems and worked in the field for 20 years and decided to come back to school to pursue chemistry education just because I want to do something more meaningful with the second half of my life. With the chemistry department, I've been able to work with a research mentor. We are studying soil around Utah Lake looking for pesticides, and so we got to travel around Utah Lake and take soil samples and analyze the soil for dangerous pesticides in our environment. Working with my professors is kind of inspiring. I see people who have dedicated their life to science.
Something I love about studying chemistry is just how many skills I've developed in the lab. I always saw science as something I would never achieve as a kid. I always thought about it as something really hard. And then getting here and having teachers that were so patient and willing to help me learn was great for me. And now I get to have so much fun in the lab and see all these chemical reactions, and I really enjoy making those things happen. I think we need more women in science because they need to feel comfortable with their knowledge. I didn't feel comfortable with my knowledge before. I didn't think I could be a successful scientist until I got here. And I learned from people that made me feel comfortable. And now it kind of makes me feel a little bit powerful. And I feel like many women can feel the same way. They are so capable. We are capable of achieving great things and making a difference in this world. And I think we do need more women in science.